My beans. Welcome to my channel. It's another bright and beautiful day that the Lord has given us. I will be going to my backyard garden where I am going to be reaping my Christmas peas. Look at this. God is constantly providing. So we move from the seed which was planted. All I did was water them, stake them when they were ready to stake, keep coming and turning the vines that were too long, wrapping them around the stake, leaving them, and look. Even though they were battered, they revived. So the wind came from north to south. So as you can see, my beans vine all torn off from around the tree. Help us, Lord, to be like the bee, gentle, patiently, do what we need to do so that in the end we will produce good fruits. These peas were planted sometimes in the latter part of August, and as was stated, they were battered by Hurricane Milton sometimes in October. But praise be to God, today I am going to be harvesting a bountiful crop. This peas is known in different regions of Jamaica and the world by other names such as Jerusalem peas and Indian cowpeas. But whatever name you know it as, it is an exotic peas and well sought after, especially at Christmas time. I think it is because of the rich color that it gives to the rice and peas dish. If you know this peas by any other name, you can drop it in the comment section below. The Christmas peas can grow all year round, but where I'm from, we plant it in the month of August so that it will be ready for Christmas. I think why it is called Christmas peas is because we always use it at Christmas time instead of the kidney bean. Now, this peas is of East Indian origin. It is therefore safe to say that it was taken to Jamaica by the East Indian who came as indentured servants. It is said to be cooked and used to strengthen the stomach. And when boiled and eaten by itself, it is said to destroy worms. Did anyone use it as a worm medicine? I certainly did not. Let me know in the comment section if you use it as a worm medicine. In Jamaica, we mostly use it to make rice and peas, as it gives the rice a rich red color. But if you use it otherwise, you can drop it in the comment section. Well, I noticed that the Christmas peas, it thrives well in direct sunlight and well-drained soil. It does not like a lot of water or cool places. So if you are going to be planting it, you need to find somewhere where it will get sunlight almost every day and where the soil is not too soft. It should be easily drained, so it would not do well in clay soil. It is best reaped dry, but not too dry, because if the pods get too crisp, The seed will pop out and scatter on the ground where you may miss them until you see new seedlings growing up. Generally, I do not put the trash from the peas in my garbage container, but I use it to mulch my plants. Since the peas contain nitrogen, when the pea trash breaks down, it will return some of the nitrogen to the soil, making it richer. The trash also acts as a barrier to the growth of the weeds. Therefore, I do not have to weed around the roots of whatever I mulch that often. In addition, the mulch keeps moisture in the soil, so I do not have to water the peas that often. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.